Chain 6 stitches. Insert your hook in the third double crochet of the previous row and work 1/2 closed double crochet stitch. Work 1 more half closed double crochet stitch in the same double crochet of the previous row. You should now see 3 loops of yarn on your hook. Skip 3 chains and insert your hook in the 4th double crochet of the previous row. Work 2 half closed double crochet stitches. Catch the yarn and pull it back through all 5 loops. Chain 2 stitches.